All right, and we're going to take a look at one final chart for a bullish engulfing tutorial here, if you will. Let's see if we can get all this together into one screen for you. Let's move over a little bit. The far left-hand side of your screen, see we have the 3 bearish days. The final day is almost a hammer type, a bearish hammer. Then we have the bullish engulfing. That's your green candle that engulfs that previous day's red body. Look what stochastics in the oversold, starting to curl up. Look what happens. We have a nice price move up. Now again, look at that big green candlestick. Look at the tall shadow on the end. Look where stochastics were the previous day on our bullish day up. Stochastics were at the overbought area. So at that point, you'd want to have a tight stop. Then after seeing that big green shadow with stochastics in the overbought area, you definitely want a tight stop and be able to take profits. Look what happens again. 3 trading days later, we have another type of candlestick signal, a piercing line, which leads to a move. But we won't. That'll be for another video. But again, the bullish candlestick signal forming with stochastics in the oversold, engulfing a hammer, a bearish hammer type signal, putting more of the odds in our favor that the probability is correct that this trade will work, and this stock led to about an 8 or 10 day positive move from around 727 to at its high around 950. So we've talked about the bullish engulfing and how good it can be, but the probabilities of trading in your favor. We like the bullish engulfing. We like it forming on support if possible. We like to see stochastics in the oversold area and curling up. Now here's a bullish engulfing, and you're looking at that going, okay, it's had a nice move up, kind of consolidation, maybe some profit taking, pull back, a little scoop or hook coming back up. We've got an engulfing. That looks like a good trade. Okay, where are stochastics? Stochastics are nearing the overbought area. Now, that doesn't mean the stock can't move up in price, because as you can see, we had a positive move the next day after the bullish engulfing. Let's just take a look at what happens next. Oh my, look at that. Our bullish engulfing, which is a nice bullish candlestick chart pattern, led to one positive day of movement, and then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days, 8 of those 9 days being bearish as the stock fell all the way down to the 50-day moving average. So again, the key thing to remember with this bullish engulfing is that it formed with stochastics in the overbought area. We want to try to look for our bullish engulfing signals forming in the oversold area, if possible on support, moving average. Try to put the odds of success in your favor. Okay, so we had a couple of positive examples. We showed you a bullish engulfing that didn't work because it was in the overbought area. Let's go back now and end our video on a positive trade and show you how this really should work. Look at this candlestick here. On the left-hand side of your screen, you should see the bearish candle, the red candle, and then you have your bullish engulfing, and that engulfing comes right as stochastics are in the oversold area. Stochastics have curled up. I'm going to go down a little bit and add our second panel that we take a look at, which is our volume indicator, which also has a faster stochastic. But look at the huge volume day on that engulfing day. Volume is another thing to take a look at. So huge volume, stochastics oversold, curling up. We get the bullish engulfing signal. The probabilities are in our favor of a positive trade. So let's take a look at what happens to this stock. Up, 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 up. It has gone from down here, the bearish candle, around $7.50 to over $14. This thing has pretty much doubled. Now you'll look and you'll notice there are some bearish days, but if you'll manage your stops, and we can talk about that in another video, you could have ridden this thing all the way up. Maybe you would have gotten out around the $13 mark. Maybe you would have held on and caught back up into this $14 area. But regardless, the bullish engulfing with stochastics in the oversold, heavy volume, nice looking signal. Bullish engulfing is a moneymaker, folks, if you'll put your odds of probability in your favor by combining some other factors. Hope you've enjoyed our bullish engulfing tutorial video. If you'd like a complete list of free bullish candlestick chart signals, including bullish engulfing chart signals each and every day, just visit our website at www.bullstock.com.